The advantages and disadvantages of smartphones. Smartphones have revolutionized the way we live, becoming an essential part of our daily routines. They keep us connected, informed, entertained, and productive, fitting countless features into a single handheld device. However, like all powerful tools, smartphones come with both positive and negative aspects. Understanding these pros and cons will help us use them more effectively in a way that benefits our lives. Advantages of smartphones. Smartphones offer a range of advantages that make them indispensable in modern life. First, they provide instant communication through calls, texts, and messaging apps, allowing people to stay in touch with loved ones and colleagues regardless of distance. Second, smartphones offer immediate access to information with internet connectivity, enabling users to search for answers, read the news, or access educational materials in a matter of seconds. Third, they serve as personal organizers, featuring apps for calendars, reminders, and notes that help users manage their time and responsibilities effectively. Fourth, smartphones provide GPS and navigation systems, making it easy to find directions and discover new places. Fifth, they are a hub for entertainment, offering access to streaming services, games, music, and social media to keep users entertained and connected with the world. Sixth, smartphones feature high-quality cameras, allowing people to capture and share life's special moments instantly without needing extra equipment. Seventh, they enable remote work and learning, giving users the flexibility to attend online meetings or classes from anywhere. Eighth, smartphones simplify online shopping and digital payments, offering a convenient way to purchase products or transfer money securely. Ninth, they support health and fitness tracking, with apps monitoring steps, heart rate, sleep, and even offering guided meditation or workout routines. Finally, smartphones connect users to social media platforms, fostering both personal and professional connections and keeping people informed about trends, news, and events globally. Disadvantages of smartphones. Despite their many benefits, smartphones also present several challenges. First, they can cause addiction, with users spending excessive amounts of time on their phones, leading to reduced productivity and a loss of focus. Second, smartphones pose serious privacy risks, as they store sensitive data like contacts, emails, and financial details that can be vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. Third, overuse can lead to mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, and stress caused by constant notifications, social media pressures, and information overload. Fourth, smartphones contribute to physical health problems such as eye strain, neck pain, and poor posture, often referred to as text neck. Fifth, smartphones can erode in-person social interactions, as people may become more focused on their screens than engaging with those around them. Sixth, smartphones often act as distractions, especially in situations where attention is critical, like driving or working, which can lead to accidents or reduced efficiency. Seventh, they have a significant environmental impact, from the extraction of rare minerals used in production to the creation of e-waste when devices are discarded. Eighth, smartphone use can promote a sedentary lifestyle, as excessive screen time often replaces physical activities, contributing to obesity and related health issues. Ninth, there is the risk of cyberbullying and exposure to harmful or inappropriate content, particularly for younger users. Finally, smartphones can create a false sense of urgency and constant pressure to respond, leaving users feeling overwhelmed and fatigued. Conclusion: smartphones are incredibly powerful devices that, when used wisely, can significantly improve our lives. They offer unmatched convenience, from communication and information access to entertainment and productivity. However, their potential downsides, addiction, privacy risks, and health concerns, must be carefully managed. By using smartphones in a balanced and mindful way, we can maximize their advantages while minimizing their disadvantages. Ultimately, smartphones are essential tools in today's world. The key to benefiting from them lies in how we use them. With thoughtful and disciplined usage, smartphones can enrich our lives without overwhelming us. They are worth the investment, as long as we harness their power responsibly and avoid letting them control us. Thanks for watching, and next time you pick up your phone, think about how you can make it work for you.